Every perfume begins with carefully selected raw materials. Trucks deliver fragrance oils, perfumers alcohol, purified water.
Before production begins, every raw material is carefully inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Expert perfumers prepare the fragrance formula by blending carefully measured aroma ingredients into a unique scent. The ingredients are blended inside large stainless steel tanks until a perfectly balanced perfume mixture is created.
The perfume mixture is allowed to mature under controlled conditions, so the fragrance becomes smooth and well-balanced.
The matured perfume passes through advanced filtration systems to remove even the smallest impurities.
Premium glass bottles are manufactured, cooled, and finished in their signature transparent colors.
Automated filling machines accurately dispense the perfect amount of perfume into every bottle. The spray pump is securely installed. This ensures smooth and reliable fragrance dispensing. The signature black cap is fitted automatically, completing the bottle assembly. Each bottle receives its premium branding and product details through precision printing. Finished perfume bottles are packed into attractive gift boxes ready for customers. Every batch undergoes strict quality testing to ensure consistent fragrance and flawless performance.
After passing quality inspection, the finished perfumes are packed, stored, and shipped to stores across the country.